All right, so we're going to go to AUDCAD. So we're going to go up to the, back to the weekly. So I know my charts look a mess. Like I say, I like confirmations. In the past, I did try to use like less crap on my charts, but I like it for now at least. So AUDCAD, as you can see, we are in bearish territory right now. We are in bearish territory. We have the most recent low is actually here, but I'm using this as my most recent low, and or swing low, and we did break that. This candle right here was the first candle to close below it. So, of course, we need to retest it to continue down. So, let's go down to the daily. And if we're looking at the daily, let's get rid of this real quick. So, if you're looking at the daily, we're already at the level to retest it. We're already there. But once again, if we see all of this bullish momentum right here, all of this bullish momentum is not going to fly, because it can just blow past this level, then come down, retest this level, and continue up. So we need for structure to shift bearish. That's the main thing in trading. We need structure to shift into the direction that you need it to go into. So I'm going to jump all the way down to the 4 hour, right? So 4 hour. What would make me comfortable taking this trade on the 4 hour, honestly, is if we come all the way down, break this level right here, come down, retest the level, and then come back down. And hopefully by the time we retest this level, that EMA will be here as well, and then we can ride it back down. I know the main level is all the way up here, but you don't always need to enter a trade at your actual area of interest. You know, you have to let the charts play out the way the charts play out and be reactive to the charts. The charts will not listen to what you tell it to do. You know, the chart's going to tell you what to do, and then you react. So for me to be safe, because right now we're in a 4 hour time frame, and right now we are bullish. You know, we broke this high and we're bullish. So I need to break these lows and then retest and then come back down, you know, to let me know that we are now bearish again. So that's what I'm looking at for AUDCAD. For, once again, momentum to shift, break these lows, retest, and hopefully retest this level and retest this EMA and continue back down bearish. All right, let's keep going.